What's going on, Pyros? We're here with Dominator, Mammoth Brocade. It has 10 shots. Light the fuse and uncage the beast, it says. The performance is 10 huge breaks of brilliant golden willows fill the sky. See? He said willow. I'm already loving it. This is the effect that is sure to make everyone ooh and ah. It makes me ooh and ah. Brocades, willows, nashikis. Yeah, of course. So let's look inside and see these 10 shots. There you go. We're looking at 3, 4, and 3. Kind of curious to see what pace this shoots these at. Is it going to be 1, 2, 3? Is it going to be 3, 4, and 3? Curious to see how that goes. But there you go. That's your performance. We're going to check it out. Something very simple, but yeah, it's going to be elegant, I hope, in terms of the brocade, since it says Mammoth Brocade. So let's check it out. I'll see what you guys think. Thumbs up, thumbs down. We'll see soon. All right, Mammoth Brocade, 10 shots, Dominator fireworks. Let's uncage the beast. See you soon.